Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro all-in-one wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop 2306A, a cleaning machine designed to vacuum and wash floors at the same time. If you have pets, hard floors, area rugs, and daily messes to clean up, this could be one of the most convenient cleaning tools available. One of the biggest advantages of the CrossWave Pet Pro is its ability to perform two jobs simultaneously. Instead of vacuuming first and then mopping afterward, this machine vacuums debris while washing the floor in a single pass. This can significantly reduce cleaning time while helping keep floors looking fresh. The CrossWave Pet Pro is specifically designed with pet owners in mind. Pet hair, muddy paw prints, food spills, and everyday dirt can quickly accumulate around the home. The machine's multi-surface cleaning system is built to handle these common challenges efficiently. A key feature is its ability to clean both sealed hard floors and area rugs. Whether you have tile, laminate, vinyl, hardwood, or washable area rugs, the CrossWave Pet Pro can transition between surfaces with ease. This versatility makes it useful for homes with mixed flooring. The vacuum uses a combination of strong suction and a rotating brush roll to pick up debris while distributing cleaning solution onto the floor. Dirty water is separated from clean water using a dual tank system, ensuring you are always cleaning with fresh solution rather than spreading dirty water around. Another major benefit is the pet-focused brush roll and strainer system, designed to help manage pet hair and reduce maintenance. Instead of sweeping and mopping separately, users can tackle multiple cleaning tasks with one machine. The machine also includes specialized pet cleaning formulas that help remove odors while cleaning. For households with dogs or cats, odor control can be just as important as visible cleanliness. Its relatively lightweight design helps improve maneuverability around furniture, tables, and tight spaces. The controls are easy to access, making switching between hard floor and area rug cleaning modes simple. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to removable tanks and easy access cleaning components. Regular cleaning helps maintain performance and prolong the life of the machine. Overall, the BISSELL CrossWave Pet Pro 2306A offers a practical solution for busy households that want to vacuum and wash floors simultaneously. With multi-surface compatibility, pet-focused features, and time-saving convenience, it stands out as an excellent option for pet owners. Thanks for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the product link in the description below. See you in the next Gadgetverse review.